Snapchatting on. That's a really common Snapchatter question. My next question that I've been following you. So what kind of lens are you using to make your patented Danny Burke fisheye there?
Yeah, I get so many comments like, what lens are you using? I mean, I'm going to tell them, but like.
It's pretty dope, man. I think
it's my thing. No, I'm just kidding. But so I bought it at Apple. I think it was like $50. And like it comes in like a little thing like this. And you take it out, right? Hold on. Let's see. And it's got like two lenses. So this is the fisheye lens. And then, to be honest, I have no idea what this lens is. But if you saw what I was doing for UNICEF on my Snapchat, I was actually using this lens. I don't know if it's like a 3D lens. I don't really sure, but the fisheye is cool. And then the phone, and then you just kind of just put it on like that. And then watch, we'll go on my Snapchat right now. And then you take the cap off.
I love it. Live demonstrations here.
Focus it, and then look, I can just go like that. Here, we'll do a little video right now.
Let's do it right now.
All right, we're here. We're live. Oh, wait, I'm actually live with Smooth there right now. If you're watching, no worries. Yeah, Smooth there. There we go.
That was awesome.
I always do filters, too. I don't know why. I'm all about filters, so